Neighborhood homes filled with floodwater from the storm surge of Hurricane Helene. And now we're hearing from the people who live near Dean Park who say something needs to be done. You could see in this video just how much water is in the street as people try their best to get through all of it. Wink News reporter Annalise Iraola introduces us to one woman who has been living here for decades.
Dean Park in Fort Myers looks different Monday. Couches, tables, mattresses, people's possessions litter the neighborhood left over from Hurricane Helene.
It's hard to have, I never in a million years imagined 2 storms in 2 years. I've lived here for 22 years and we have never flooded here at all.
Michelle Nugent, after dealing with the damage from Ian's storm surge 2 years ago, had only been back in her Dean Park home for about a year. Until last week, when Helene came through the Gulf and flooded so many coastal communities, including Michelle's home.
Just numb, done. Just thought, here we go again. Just like, even now, I'm like, I have to do it because we really have no choice. But it's just not a good feeling.
She says she had 2 inches of water inside her home, but she says she's lucky since there are homes in Dean Park like this one that saw nearly 4 feet of flooding. As so many are now left mucking and gutting their flooded homes, Michelle wonders if there are other issues contributing to the flooding in Dean Park and wonders if it's time for the city to step in.
It seems like there's a multitude of problems, us not having a seawall along the river anymore, as well as Billy's Creek, and there seems to be some type of problems as well with the new storm drains.
With hurricane season in full swing and another potential system brewing in the Gulf, she just hopes something can keep this from happening again.
I wanted my grandchildren to come back here one day. And I don't know. I don't know how long we can keep doing this.
As far as any issues with the storm drains in that area, we've reached out to the city of Fort Myers. As soon as we get more information, we'll be sure to let you know.